tears. When I was hopeless, you brought me cheer. They said it's over, but you said no. You lifted me up and made me glow. You are my covenant keeper. You turn my sorrow into laughter. He has done it again, oh, my Jehovah's done it again. Oh, Meláyá Ôzo, God of miracles has done it again. When I call, he answers me. When I pray, he fights for me. Oh, Meláyá Ôzo, he has done it again. They gathered in secret to bring me down, but you crowned my head and gave me a crown. You turned every battle into a song. You made me bold, you made me strong. Akune Chemba, Lion of Judah, Obugikanga, Bondumile. It is you I call on my life. He has done it again, oh, Meláyá Ôzo, my defender, my redeemer. He opened doors I didn't knock. He broke the chains I couldn't stop. Oh, Meláyá Ôzo, he has done it again. You gave me peace in the midst of storm. You gave me joy that I can't explain. They mocked me, said I would fall, but now I rise and I stand tall. Odogunaha, now you be my destiny changer. From January down to December, you've been my strength, my strong defender. Even when I walk through fire, you held my hand and took me higher. Wanyama, I bring you praise for all your goodness all my days. He has done it again, oh, Meláyá Ôzo, my story changer, miracle worker. From Entertainment TV, peace and love.